square plus x equivalent to 5. Question, x plus 3 whole cube plus 1 by x plus 3 whole cube. Staff Selection Commission, original question. X square plus x is 5, x plus 3 whole cube plus 1 by x plus 3 whole cube. This is 130. I'll give you exact options. 127, 140, and it is 110. 130, 127, 140, 110. According to Anil Nair, this question should not take more than 10 seconds to solve. In case if you are attending any classes anywhere, if they are telling you algebraic equation, I wish you good luck. Now, please listen carefully. How am I going to solve? Listen carefully. X square plus x is 5. X is relatively small compared to x square. X square is closer to 5 or it is less than 5. If I take x value 2, this will become 2 square plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So answer should not be 2. Are you all with me? Answer should not be 2. Kel katam dukan band. All options are out. If I make 2, 2 plus 3, 5 cube. 5 cube plus something. Answer will be not be greater than 125. 130 out, 127 out, 110 is the right answer. 110 is the right answer. 110 is the right answer. I hope it is clear. X value will be, if it is 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6, but the right hand side is 5. That means in most of the exam, those students who are preparing for SSC exam, out of 50 questions, this is the beauty about SSC paper. Every year 2 questions will be incorrect. So actually the denominator is 48 only. Every year this is the greatness of SSC paper. Definitely 2 questions will be incorrect. Right? So I hope this time they will not do the mistake.